What's up, Breezy family? We are back with these Thai jerk wings. I seen them on Instagram and I had to give them a try. And y'all know I had to give y'all the recipe. It's super simple. Just follow these steps. I had some whole wings in my house at the time instead of like them already cut down and broken into the party wings. So you can do this recipe with whole wings if you would like. I would just let the chicken cook a little bit longer, or you can do what I'm doing now and just make them into party wings. Go ahead and slice it down. I find this easier to eat anyway because nobody really be eating that little corner part. And if you do, I might be judging you. I ain't gonna lie, I might be judging you. But go ahead and cut that all down. Cut all your pieces of chicken. And once you're done cleaning it and everything, make sure you pat your chicken dry before you season it. You guys know the ingredients, everything will be listed below. So you're going to take your jerk seasoning, salt, pepper, and paprika, and season your chicken. Add a drizzle of olive oil onto there because we are going to be throwing them in the air fryer and you want them to be nice and crispy. Go ahead and get that mixed up together and nice. It's going to look real good. And then next we're going to be adding in 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm pretty sure this is like 2 pounds of chicken. There were 6 wings in total, so there's 12 pieces of chicken here. So I have 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. Once you mix it all together, this is what it should look like. My island spice has pimento beans, so that's what that little black dot is. I'd be taking them out though because I didn't want to cook it with that in the air fryer. So go ahead, lay it into your air fryer. Let it preheat while you're seasoning it, so when you put it in, it's already heated and nice and ready for you to go. 25 minutes on 380 should be coming out looking crispy like that. Throw you 4 tablespoons of butter into a pan and allow it to go ahead and heat. You don't want this to be like super hot. You don't need your butter browning or nothing, so keep it low. Add you some Thai chili sauce. I took some Walker's Wood marinade and some water, like literally 1 tablespoon of that and 2 tablespoons of water, and that's what I use for the jerk, for the sauce. Mix that together, and you're gonna allow this to simmer on low to high. You know I give y'all the numbers, so I had mine on like a 4, like a 3-4. You know, let it get thick and let the sauce commence and come together. You can taste it in between, you know, see if you need to add anything else. But honestly, I just added those 3 things. And you let it simmer, cook a little bit. And once it's like boiling and you see that nice thick consistency, add the wings up in there. I just let it cook. I turned off the heat. And I let the heat just pretty much like simmer on there for like 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure you turn each piece around so they're fully coated with the sauce. And it's going to be bomb. Like, y'all, this is so good. Like, these wings are about to be made once a week in my house because, like, this was way too easy, one. And, okay, not even way too easy, but it's way too easy to not be made all the time. I can tell you that. Do a little sauce pour if you like a little extra sauce. I'm saucing on you. Throw parsley on it because you know parsley make it look like a baby. You know how we coming. As always, thank y'all for rocking with me. Like, comment, subscribe, share this. And if you try out this recipe, I want to see your wings winging on the timeline. Share them with me.